Hi friends, welcome back to myxlmaster. In today's assignment, our task is to calculate latest profit growth percentage on first week profit. For example, I have given some profit information of a particular city of every week. You need to get some information from this sheet and then you have to enter here. For example, when I enter 2,20,000 for Mumbai for first week profit, then if I enter any value in third week or fourth week or fifth week, 2,25,000, then the profit growth should get calculated from the latest week based on the first week. Suppose if I enter a value in fifth week, then the formula should get changed and it should calculate the profit growth from latest week to first week. In the same way, if I enter for another cities also, see the difference. The formula should get calculated with latest week value only. If I delete previous week data also, then it should not get changed. It should get calculated on the latest week value only. So it's a very easy and simple calculation. You can do this in within 5 to 10 minutes. But we can complete this assignment before 8 p.m. of 29th October, which is Saturday. I will publish the solution for this assignment on 30th October at 10 a.m. Thank you and all the best.